Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply a pattern as a fill to a raster layer or a selection within a raster layer. As mentioned in an earlier lesson in this chapter, you can apply a pattern when you select Edit and then either Fill Layer or Fill Selection from the menu bar to open the Fill Layer dialog box. This lesson shows more of the options you have when applying a pattern fill within this dialog box. To recap, to fill a selection within a raster layer with a pattern, click to select the desired raster layer in the Layers panel, and then make a selection to fill with a pattern. Alternatively, to fill an entire raster layer, click to select the raster layer to fill in the Layers panel, and then do not make a selection within it. Then select either Edit, Fill Selection, or Edit, Fill Layer from the menu bar. This command changes depending on whether you have an active selection within a raster layer or only a raster layer selected in the Layers panel. However, after selecting either command, the Fill Layer dialog box then opens in Photoshop Elements. Then select Pattern from the Use dropdown. Next, select the pattern to apply by clicking the Custom Pattern dropdown. Then double-click to select a preset pattern from the drop-down menu that appears. To show other pattern sets in the drop-down menu if desired, click the Patterns drop-down within this drop-down menu and select the name of the desired pattern set to show. To reset the loaded patterns, save patterns, and load new patterns, just like you did with brushes, you can click the Options button to the right of the Patterns dropdown within the drop-down menu. Then select the desired choice from the drop-down menu that appears. This works in much the same way as the brush preset picker discussed earlier in this course. After selecting a pattern, select the fill's blending mode from the Mode dropdown. To set the opacity percentage of the fill, type the desired percentage into the opacity field. To preserve transparent pixels if needed and if available, check the Preserve Transparency checkbox. To apply the selected pattern fill, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.